they
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Hi guys, I'm Pasta and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with another haul after so long. And in my previous Meesho haul video, I told you guys that I did order a couple of ethnic pieces and they did arrive. But मैं late बना रही हूँ थोड़ी video. So I came across Meesho a few months back and I think they have like amazing. मैंने उनका ये भी reference दिया था कि it's like completely Sarojini, online Sarojini, and they have ethnic pieces too, which you can even resell. So I'm gonna get into that. But before that, just a brief, Meesho has western, ethnic, menswear, home decor and basically accessories, shoes, bags, everything. They have literally everything and that too बहुत ही reasonable price पे, and I think that's really freaking amazing because the major part is you can even resell them and you don't even have to buy it to send it to your customer. All you have to do is, if you're a seller and you feel like doing business through Meesho because इनके बहुत ही ज़्यादा reasonable prices पे है सामान, and if you feel like कि आप इनको resell कर सकते हो, then you can easily send, मतलब share the picture of the product with your customer and you can directly send it to the customer through Meesho app and you can mention कि आपने किस price पे उनको बेचा है and बीच का जो भी difference रहेगा Meesho will be handing it over to you and you don't even have to pay for the delivery separately, and I think this is really awesome for everyone because you don't really have to invest and you can actually earn money through that. So if you're interested, then you can go and do that. So Meesho app kind of offers an opportunity for a lot of people who are interested into getting into business, and apart from that they also have really good quality and sasta affordable kapde and mostly a lot of products apart from clothes too. So without wasting any more time, let's just get started with the haul. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is सारे सामान मैंने इस गोदी में रखा हुआ है जो कि बहुत देर से दिख रहा है, but yeah. So the first thing that I got is this kurta and it has ऐसे वाला sleeve. I really like the neck area. I really love what the sleeves look like and I am absolutely in love with the color and it came with this palazzo and I know you'll ask me कि मैंने नीचे क्यों नहीं पहना हुआ है, वो मैंने इसलिए नहीं पहना हुआ है क्योंकि मैंने नीचे दूसरा पजामा पहना हुआ है. This is what the palazzo looks like and you can see this entire set is really pretty and the price is on the screen so you can see how affordable this is and the material is so good, so breathable, perfect for this summer and office wear के लिए I think this is perfect. You don't even have to carry your dupatta with this. This is very sophisticated and I don't know what all words people use, but yeah, I'm gonna go with sophisticated. So yeah, this looks really nice and let's move on to the next one. So कितना जोर से चिल्ला? Okay. So the next one is this one which is in pink color. It has embroidery pattern all over front के अंदर and then छोटू छोटू नीचे भी जा रहा है. It has a flared sleeves, that too with tassels at the end. This one is in actually a baby pink color, which I think goes really well with Indian skin tone. And this is what it looks like. The neck kind of has a piping too. This actually came with a white colored palazzo. And this one was the prices again on the screen and again very breathable quality, perfect for summers and office wear too, and even if you feel like wearing it ghar pe, then also it's perfect, or for a piece like 2-piece set I think it's really affordable. क्या मैंने affordable पहले भी बोल दिया था? Anyways, this looks really amazing as you can see on the screen, and now let's move on to the next one which is this yellow one. इसके साथ मेरा black color का भी कुछ आ गया. Yeah, so which is this yellow one. This one actually is a printed yellow and green colored kurta which comes with again a palazzo with a very similar pattern. The palazzo is incredibly bada sa और खुला डुल्ला comfortable. Elastic is also good. ये बिल्कुल true to their sizes हैं and I think if you're planning on investing in ethnic pieces, Meesho should be your one-stop destination because they have crazy collection and at the same time the quality, the material is so good. मेरी मम्मी मुझे ये नहीं पहनने दे रही है, समझ रहे हो? ये मैंने जो पहना है ये वापस धुल के वापस उनकी अलमारी में जाएगा. I am not allowed to wear all this. My mom asked me to get all this उनके size में. Anyways, this is what it looks like. This is in yellow color and has like a nice print ग्रीन कलर के उसका फ्लावर्स का, एंड इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद अ चुन्नी which is entirely in white color with a little bit of pattern side में and then ऐसे flower pattern भी. So as you can see on the screen, it looks really pretty as a set. As a whole, it looks insanely nice, and that too for the price that you're paying. You're getting like proper dupatte के साथ and palazzo के साथ एक पूरा set. So I think that is awesome. So now for the last piece, this one is actually kind of a dupe celebrity. I think Janhvi Kapoor wore it, and this is what the kurta looks like. उनकी पिक्चर में स्क्रीन पे लगा दूंगी. This is what she looked like wearing ऐसी चीज को पहने हुए, and this is my mom's favorite. And as you can see, it's really big for me, but it has print all over it. It's in white color with red and green color के छोटे छोटे से prints, and then it comes with a palazzo that has bigger prints थोड़े से, but same प्रिंट सेम है, बस बड़ा है और कलर्स भी सेम है, एंड ऊपर से पूरा वाइट बट जस्ट नीचे पे थोड़ा सा ये प्रिंट है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट द सेट लुक्स लाइक, एंड इट केम विद अ वाइट कलर का दुपट्टा. सो आई थिंक फॉर द प्राइस दैट यू पेइंग, यू आर गेटिंग क्रेजी अमाउंट ऑफ क्लोथ्स. और सेट मिलने का मतलब ये है कि इवन इफ आई हैव this color ka palazzo, I can wear it or style it in so many different ways with so many different things, and I think that's really really great. And I really hope you guys liked this haul video, and I know it was a little chotu one, but I'm going to be coming up with a lot more haul videos, so let me know if you have any special request, and I would love to do that. And please let me know कि ये मेरे बाल कैसे लगे आपको, क्योंकि मैंने मेहनत की थी इसके अंदर थोड़ी सी, मुझे पसीना आ रहा है क्योंकि AC नहीं है. So let's wrap this video up. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And also I'm going to leave a link to Meesho's app in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.